EDI stands for Electronic Data Interchange. It is the electronic exchange of business documents such as invoices, purchase orders, or shipping notices between organizations in a standardized format. EDI allows businesses to automate and streamline their operations, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Key points about EDI: standardization. EDI uses standardized formats like EDIFACT, ANSI X12, or XML to ensure compatibility between different systems. Speed. It accelerates the process of transmitting documents, reducing the time it takes compared to traditional paper-based methods. Accuracy. By removing the need for manual data entry, EDI reduces errors and improves data accuracy. Cost-effective. By reducing paper, postage, and manual labor costs, it provides a cost-efficient solution for business communication. Security. EDI transactions are often encrypted and use secure methods to ensure confidentiality and integrity. Electronic Data Interchange (EDI). With the popularity of computers, many companies and organizations use computers to store and process data. However, different organizations use different application systems, and the format of the data generated is not the same. When organizations need to communicate with other organizations for their business needs, they have to recce. This was time-consuming and a major obstacle in the business operations. In order to solve this problem, some enterprises have agreed a specific standard format, which can be regarded as the origin of the EDI application concept. Soon, businesses began to realize that using EDI will smoothen the business transactions and increase the profit. These standardizations made ordering and shipping faster, more organized, and less expensive. Earlier, EDI documents were transmitted electronically by the use of radio teletype, telex messages, or telephone. EDI is paperless trade and EFT, electronic transfer, is paperless payment. Before the popularization of internet-based e-commerce, it was a major e-commerce model. E.D.I includes data exchange between buyers and sellers, trade partners, and also internal data exchange within departments of a company. There are many internationally accepted EDI standards, e.g. EDIFACT, XML, ANSI, ASC, X12, etc. The Electronic Data Interchange (EDI) is the exchange of business documents between one trade partner and another electronically. It is transferred through a dedicated channel or through the internet in a predefined format without much human intervention. It is used to transfer documents such as delivery notes, invoices, purchase orders, advance ship notice, functional acknowledgements, etc. These documents are transferred directly from the computer of the issuing company to that of the receiving company, with great time saving and avoiding many errors of traditional on-paper communications. In late 1960s, shipping line, railroads, airlines, and truck companies of USA were exchanging electronic messages for their businesses. These messages were in different formats, and it resulted in problems in transfer of goods. In 1968, these companies grouped together among themselves and formed the Transportation Data Coordinating Committee (TDCC) to develop EDI standard formats. In 1975, first EDI standards were released by TDCC, of which Ed Gilbert was a major contributor. In 1977, a group of supermarket companies and their business partners begin drafting and using an EDI project. The TDCC is renamed as Electronic Data Interchange Association (EDIA) in 1978. Later in that year, the EDIA was undertaken by the American National Standards Institute and becomes the ANSI 12 Committee. Since then, this committee is responsible for the publication of EDI standards. Later in 1985, UN created the EDIFACT to assist with the global reach of technology in e-commerce. EDIFACT is the most widely used EDI. The first EDI messages were sent in 1965 from the Holland-American steamship line to Transatlantic Shipping Company using telex messages. The computer had sent a full page of information in roughly 2 minutes. These messages were then written on the magnetic tapes that could be loaded onto another computer. Electronic data interchange, EDI, is a method for exchanging business documents and data between organizations in a standardized format. There are several types of EDI based on the method or protocol used for communication. Here are the main types of EDI. 1. Direct EDI, point-to-point EDI in this model. Two businesses communicate directly with each other through a secure, private network. An example is a supplier sending an invoice directly to a customer using a secure EDI connection. The advantages include lower operational costs and fewer intermediaries, while the disadvantages are that it requires dedicated infrastructure and can be complex to manage. 2. EDI via Value-Added Network, WAN. In this model, a third-party service provider acts as an intermediary to facilitate the exchange of documents between businesses. For example, a company using a WAN service to send purchase orders and invoices to a supplier. The advantages are that it is reliable, secure, and offers additional services such as message tracking and archiving. The disadvantages include costs associated with WAN services and reliance on a third party. 3. EDI via Web EDI. This model uses a web-based platform that allows businesses to exchange documents without the need for dedicated EDI software. An example is small businesses using web-based interfaces to send purchase orders and receive invoices. The advantages are that it is easy to use, requires no specialized EDI software, and has lower costs. The disadvantages are that it may lack advanced features or integration with existing systems and is less secure than other methods. 4. EDI via AS2. Applicability Statement 2. AS2 is a widely used internet-based protocol for secure data transmission over the web, commonly used for EDI exchanges. An example is to companies exchanging shipping notices using the AS2 protocol. The advantages include secure, cost-effective transmission using the internet instead of private networks and fast transmission. The disadvantages are that setup and maintenance can be complex and require technical knowledge. 5. EDI via FTP/SFTP, File Transfer Protocol. Secure File Transfer Protocol. In this method, EDI messages are sent using FTP or SFTP protocols, often over the internet. An example is a business sending an order confirmation via FTP to a trading partner. The advantages are that it is cost-effective, widely used, and secure in the case of SFTP. The disadvantages include the need for additional security measures and file size limits in some cases. 6. EDI via OpenEDI. Open Electronic Data Interchange. OpenEDI uses public standards and allows for interoperability between different EDI systems. It's designed for collaboration across different industries and regions. An example is an international supply chain network using OpenEDI standards to exchange order information. The advantages are flexibility and interoperability between different systems and industries. The disadvantages may include the need for more technical configuration. 7. EDI over WAN, Value-Added Network. This involves the use of a third-party WAN for message routing, storage, and security. An example is sending product specifications to suppliers via WAN. The advantages are that it is centralized, secure, and reliable. The disadvantages include costs for using the WAN. These types of EDI cater to different business sizes, industries, and communication requirements. Each has its pros and cons depending on the scale, security needs, and integration capabilities of the businesses involved. Electronic Data Interchange (EDI) offers several advantages for businesses by automating and streamlining data exchange. Here are the key benefits. Speed and efficiency. EDI allows instant electronic transmission of business documents, reducing processing time compared to manual data entry. Cost savings. It eliminates paper-based transactions, reducing printing, postage, and storage costs. Accuracy and reduced errors. Automation minimizes human errors such as data entry mistakes, lost documents, or misinterpretations. Improved business relationships. Faster transactions and better accuracy lead to smoother supply chain operations and improved relationships with partners and customers. Security and compliance. E.D.I ensures secure data transmission with encryption and authentication, meeting industry standards like HIPAA, ANSI X12, or EDIFACT. Scalability and integration. E.D.I can be integrated with ERP and other business systems, allowing seamless scalability as business operations grow. Better inventory management. Real-time data exchange helps businesses track stock levels, reducing inventory costs and avoiding shortages or overstocking. Environmental benefits. Reducing paper usage supports eco-friendly initiatives by cutting down on waste and energy consumption. Global standardization. E.D.I follows global data formats, making it easier to do business with international partners without compatibility issues. Regulatory compliance. Many industries, such as healthcare, retail, and logistics, require EDI for compliance with regulations and industry standards. Electronic data interchange. E.D.I consists of multiple layers that facilitate the smooth exchange of business data between organizations. The key E.D.I layers are: the application layer is the topmost layer where business applications such as ERP, CRM, or accounting software generate and process EDI transactions. It ensures data is formatted correctly before sending and processes received data for business use. Examples include purchase orders, invoices, and shipping notices. The translation layer converts data from the internal format used by a business application into a standard E.D.I format, such as ANSI X12 EDIFACT or XML. It also converts incoming E.D.I data back into a format readable by internal systems. For example, an invoice generated in SAP is translated into an E.D.I 810 format before transmission. The communication layer handles the secure transmission of EDI messages between trading partners. It uses communication protocols such as AS2, FTP, WAN, value-added network, or APIs, ensuring reliable message exchange while maintaining security and compliance. The network and transport layer manages the actual data transmission over the Internet, private networks, or dedicated E.D.I networks. It provides encryption, authentication, and error checking to ensure data integrity. For example, a company using AS2 protocol for secure document exchange over the Internet. Each of these layers plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth, accurate, and secure E.D.I transactions. Let me know if you need more details on any specific layer. EDI is the electronic exchange of business documents between organizations in a standardized format. Common EDI standards include ANSI X12 EDIFACT, Tradecoms, and XML to ensure data compatibility across systems. It replaces manual document handling with automated transactions, reducing human intervention and errors. EDI enables real-time or near-instant data exchange, speeding up order processing, invoicing, and supply chain operations. It reduces expenses related to paper, printing, postage, and labor, improving overall operational efficiency. EDI transactions are encrypted and follow strict validation protocols, ensuring data accuracy and security. It can be integrated with ERP, CRM, and SCM software to enhance workflow automation. Many industries, including healthcare, retail, and logistics, require EDI compliance for legal and operational reasons. It uses secure transmission methods such as AS2, FTP, SFTP, WAN, and API-based connections. EDI supports business expansion by enabling seamless data exchange with global trading partners. I just want to take a moment to express my gratitude for each and every one of you who takes the time to watch my channel. Your support means the world to me. Every view, every comment, and every like fuels my passion to create even more engaging content. It's incredible to see our community grow, and I love hearing your thoughts and ideas. Your feedback helps shape the direction of this channel, making it a space where we can all learn and have fun together. So, thank you for being part of this journey with me. Your enthusiasm inspires me to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new topics. Let's keep this momentum going.